As a Muslim,
Yes.
why are you in the Christian country and not the Christians are in a Muslim country which is,
Good
has a
question.
prosperity?
Do you believe England's a Christian country?
Yes, yes, it has a big, huge history.
In England, you can gender fluid, change transgenders. Yeah. In England, homosexuality, men can marry men. This
Yeah.
is against
So
Christianity.
this is
I'll say it again to you. What type of Christian country allows men marrying men? What kind of Christian country allows this? What kind of Christian country teaches our children that we evolved from common ancestors and we weren't created by God? No, I'm asking you a question here. What kind of Christian country does that? So let's establish one thing. England is not a Christian country. England is a secular democracy. People say British values.
Yes.
One of the British values is freedom of religion, right? Now, I'll ask you a question. What are you doing in my country? I'm English.
Just a moment.
And I'm an Englishman.
Yeah.
My ancestry goes back, I don't know, to Vikings or Romans or Normans or Celts or whatever it may be. This is my country. To ask me why I'm here is an insult kind of thing.
This is because of your...
That's the best thing. Now let me explain the difference between Islam. Let me explain the difference between Islam and being an Englishman and living in England. Okay.
Yes.
Islam is a way of life.
Yeah.
Okay. That's what Islam is. It's you can be any nationality. It doesn't discriminate between what nationality you are.
Yeah.
It doesn't, whatever race you are. Islam doesn't care. White man, black man, Arab man, Asian man, woman, old, young. Islam doesn't care. It's a way of life for the whole world universally.
Yeah.
Okay. Wherever you are in the world, you can be a Muslim. Alhamdulillah. Yes. So this is the first thing.
Yes,
so for me to live in England is not against my Islamic values because I don't have to go to the pub.
Yes.
England doesn't stop me praying 5 times a day. Doesn't force me to eat pig.
Yeah.
It doesn't force me to do things against my religion.
Yes.
Why? Because it's a secular democracy,
Yes.
and one of the freedoms my grandfather fought for in the war was freedom of religion.
Yes.
Yeah. And so my right as a Muslim today was fought for. Yeah. Fought for in the war.
Fought for. Yes.
That I could be free from fascism, and that I can choose my religion.
The human rights. You mean?
Alhamdulillah.
Yes.
So I chose Islam.